This video is on how to find points on a unit circle that correspond to an angle measure, but we're going to be using coterminal angles. Suppose that P is a point on the unit circle obtained by rotating the initial ray through the given angle. Find the coordinates of point P, and the angle they're giving us is negative 225. So the first thing is, whenever you see unit circle, you should be thinking that you have a radius of 1. That's important. And because I'm on the unit circle, having a radius of 1, xy is going to be the same thing as cosine theta, sine theta. So I want to start by sketching my angle. But I never like to sketch negative angles. So instead, I'm going to find its coterminal angle. And in order to do that, I'm going to take my negative 225 and I'm going to add 360 degrees to it. So I'm going to take out my calculator. Negative 225 plus 360, and I get 135. So I'm going to start by sketching 135 degrees. So if I label my quadrants 0, 90, 180, 135 degrees is going to fall in quadrant 2 because it's between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. My initial side is always the positive x-axis, and then I'm in quadrant 2. This is the angle 135 degrees. So I'm looking for this point over here, P. And because I'm in quadrant 2, that point is going to be negative x, positive y, because I went to the left, so x is negative, and I went up, so y is positive. So negative cosine 135 degrees, comma, sine of 135 degrees is what I'm looking for. I want to use my chart, but my chart only has 3 values, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. So I need to work with one of those angles. So what I'm going to do is draw my triangle, which always goes to the positive my triangle always goes to the x-axis. Positive or negative doesn't matter, but it's always going to the x-axis. So here's my angle in here. And this angle is known as our reference angle. This angle is 45 degrees because to get from 135 to 180, I have to go an additional 45 degrees. So I have negative cosine of 45, positive sine of 45 because I'm in quadrant 2, so y is positive. So using my chart, the cosine of 45 is radical 2 over 2, and so is the sine of 45. So the point is negative radical 2 over 2, comma, radical 2 over 2.